So one final thing, we wanted to talk about why we told the this particular homeowner that we're actually not going to go with the drainage on this. We don't feel that it's perfect. I'm not sure if the camera's catching this right or not, but all the water that's coming off of this gutter is hitting this area, and the elevation goes down pretty drastic right into this swale. This swale pitches back this way and drains out, and then if it's on the other side of this hill, then all the water runoff comes into the swale and then goes down towards the woods. So he had really good drainage that you don't typically see. So I'll walk you through the rest of this as well. So as you can see, everything's much higher on this house. I mean, lots of good elevation. So if you've watched these videos before, you've heard me talk about drain the rain from the plane, right? So here we got this downspout comes out, drains right here, and sheds right off into the swale, and then pitches back into the woods. So same thing's going on basically around this entire house. This is an addition that's got put on. You can see how much slope that we have here. It's a great amount of fall. So all the downspouts that are coming from there and from over there are all come down, and they go right over into the woods, no problem. The yard doesn't get that soggy anywhere except one particular area. Personally, I'd love to go ahead and put those on pop-up emitters all the way down there, but the homeowner really feels it's unnecessary because the ground's not ever really getting soggy or anything of that nature. I always like to have these things as far away from the house as possible. But now here is the only area that's a bit of a different story. So I'm stepping down here so you can see the elevation. So the water wants to run off down here, but here's what's happening with the way that they hooked up the sub pump discharge. Really, it makes a muddy mess in this one back area. So the discharge line comes right out, no freeze relief or anything. Comes out and just washes out this area. And this area, when we were working to do the crawl space, we were putting down plywood so we didn't sink into the ground here. So we're going to turn around, take this discharge line underneath these sprinkler heads, and we're going to have it discharge over there by the woods. So all this area will start drying out. That was the biggest issue on that particular area. Over here, same thing. Downspout comes off, the water runs right into the swale, down and out like it's supposed to into the storm drain. Anything that's coming off this side hits the swale in between both of these houses, runs off back into the woods. So when the builder did this, he did a great job. Again, I'd love to see the downspout extensions underground and completely away from the house, minimum of 10 feet at the absolute minimum. But if you can get it further, always get it further. But they did really good grading and drainage from, you know, different elevations and everything. So that's all I have on this one. Thank you guys so much for watching again. And if you have any drainage problems in your crawl space, basement, or anything of that nature, give us a call, 302-321-7077. Again, if you're in Delaware, Maryland, and if you are in Charleston, South Carolina area, give us a call at 1-888-940-HERO. And if you have any questions or concerns, pick up the phone, give us a call. We love to, if you're in a different part of the country, love to answer your questions, help you out in any way that we can. Please like and our YouTube channel, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.